Take the side view of that way that window here. I can't get mine just on the angle of this. I can get the front part of it in the back view, but not the side of it. I'd like to get a nice one of that one, but you've got a better camera than me, probably. Look at through, just to be honest.
Met reading, a bit of education.
Well, he studied all that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. But they're getting married in a couple of weeks.
Oh, they are.
Pinakaiki. They've got a little house at Pinakaiki.
Oh, yeah, and the weddings are Pinakaiki.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, I love that.
Yeah. So getting all getting things together now.
Oh, that's a highlight.
But Kate Hardin will really probably know.
I know, I was walking to work the other day and I met Kate, she was out for lunch.
Oh, yeah.
Did they sell a house?
I know. Yeah.
Excuse me. I'm used to it after 25 years of it.